Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to create this thumbnail on your Canva. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create this beautiful, marvelous thumbnail for your YouTube videos, I'm just going to show in this video. So first of all, choose the background color. I actually using a gradient background color here, so you can choose any other color like this, or just going to choose this color. So it's the same color, so I'm just going to change this to a different color like this. Okay, so then after, you just need to place your subject, your PNG like this here. So after placing this, just go to the elements first. Then here you just need to search as this element. You just need to pick this. It's a geometric circle shape. You just type as geometric circle shape, you can find this element. Just click this and just change this color to a black color. So black color or white color, it's according to your creativity and your image. So just enlarge it like this and and just click on the position and just send it to the back side. So you can see now it's formed this image. Then you just need to add this text. So instead of doing the text like this, just make the text like one by one. Just make one text slightly. You just need to rotate the text like this. Then just place all the text here like this. You just need to cut the text one by one so you can get this, but it take time, but the creativity will be look great. So you just how to create this, everything is a single text between a single word. So after that, placing it, click on the elements, click on the shape option, just change this to the background as white. You can just place black background or white like that, and you just resize it and just turn this like this and just place it on the let's resize it to the text position, so you can just get that effect. Just swipe it and you can find how it's look like. The same thing you just need to do, just go to the element, just click on the shapes, and now just going to place it here, just slightly here. So you just enlarge this and just going to change this to a white color. You can also use a gradient color if you just need it. So just click this and just place here, just click this and just going to place this here and just resize it to the position and just click on the position option, just send it back and send it back. So now you just need to place the icon here, any icon if you are making a tutorial about a YouTube or Canva, whatever. So this is how I just created this thumbnail. So you can see, and you can also change this color by going to the design, just click on the style option, just going to the color palette. You can just change the color, beautiful color like this if you just need it. Just try this and create your own thumbnail. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.